David was on our show July 18th of last year. First topic, Mastech, the specialty builder contractor, a return of 14%.
Yeah, this is one of the leaders in the home building group. We had a great pass last year in the home builders. We were taken out of a bunch of them in February of this year. I think D.H. Horton was around 47. Stocks came right down into a sort of long-term trend and has held. It looks like this group is turning higher. We don't own the stock. Are we talking Mastech here?
We were talking Mastech, and I was just trying to check.
I'm talking D.H. Horton.
Okay, so stick with Mastech, a big infrastructure builder.
Okay, so Mastech is in doing infrastructure build for pipelines.
Okay.
And they also do infrastructure build for telecom wireless networks.
Right.
Okay. So the wireless piece is a great business because we're going to 5G. They're putting up all the new gear on the towers. Very, very successful business. The pipeline business is a good business. The pipeline business slowed somewhat, but looks like it can reaccelerate. So we don't own the stock now. I would buy it here. Technically looks great. The engineering companies look interesting. There is capital investment taking place, and 5G rollout is coming. So I think the stock is pretty good.
Oh, okay. D.R. Horton, you touched on this, so a pop of 19% on this home builder.
Yeah, we did well in these. We came out in February. I'm looking at them again right now. I own ITB and XHB in our macro fund to get the basket of these guys just put on over the last couple days. And so this is something I could buy here as well.
Okay, IHB. Maybe we could have a quick look at a 5-year for IHB.
XHB or ITB?
Oh, I'm sorry. So
ITB is the home builders
ETF.
Yeah.
Okay.
And XHB is ITB is the construction materials. XHB is the builders.
XHB. If you want to bet on the U.S. housing market, that's the way to go.
That's the way to go.
Yeah, I'm just looking here at a headline. I mean, there's always data points. It's interesting. There's a headline on Bloomberg is the U.S. housing market jolted in June as construction slumps. Yeah. It's just 1 month.
So this is the interesting thing about home construction in the U.S. right now. There is a shortage of lots to build on. There are issues with bureaucracy around getting lots subdivided and serviced and into the marketplace. There's tons of buyers. They can't find product. And that's why the mortgage numbers week over week were lower. They can't find product. But that's great if you're a home builder and you have properties that you're building on. So the profitability of these builders is very, very strong.
And according to Bloomberg, demand itself remains steady and
very
elevated.
Strong.
Let's squeeze in your last top pick, Broadcom.
Yeah, this was a great stock to own. We did very well with it over time. We came out of it in February of this year. In June of this year, around $250. I like the semiconductor group. Broadcom, gap lower. We were taken out of our position.
Okay, so there we have it. Okay, let's take a break. We're going to be back with David Burrows, Chief Investment Strategist at Barometer Capital Management. North American large caps are on the menu, 1-855-326-6266.